In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy and sell on MetaTrader 5. Whether you're completely new to MetaTrader 5 or just need a quick refresher, this walkthrough will guide you through the basic process of placing a trade, from choosing a stock to confirming your order. We'll keep things simple and focused so you can follow along on your own screen. First, open MetaTrader 5 and make sure you're in the trading terminal where you can see the list of available symbols. A symbol is simply the asset you want to trade, like a stock, an index, or another instrument your broker offers. For this video, we'll focus on choosing a stock symbol. Look for the list usually called Market Watch or something similar. Scroll through that list and find the specific stock you're interested in. If you have a particular company in mind, you can use the search bar, if available, to quickly locate it by its ticker symbol. Take a moment to confirm you've selected the correct stock, since many symbols can look similar. Once you've selected your stock symbol, you're ready to start creating an order. On MetaTrader 5, you can usually do this in a couple of ways. One common method is to right-click on the symbol and look for an option that says New Order or Create Order. Another way is to click on the symbol and look for a New Order button somewhere at the top of the platform. Go ahead and click that to open the order window. When the order window appears, MetaTrader 5 will guide you with on-screen prompts. This is where you'll set the details of your trade. You'll typically choose the order type, such as a market order, which executes at the current price, or a pending order, which triggers at a future price level. You'll also enter the volume or lot size, which controls how big your position will be. Follow the prompts carefully. If the platform suggests setting a stop loss and take profit, it's a good idea to consider using them, especially if you're still learning. These help manage your risk and lock in potential profits automatically. Once everything is filled out and you've double-checked the symbol, order type, volume, and any risk settings, confirm the trade by clicking the buy or sell button, depending on the direction you want to trade. After that, your position will appear in your terminal and you've successfully bought or sold using MetaTrader 5.